Hello everyone. Today I'm doing a video about my custom Monster Jam trucks, like 2 videos, like parts. Let's see if I can organize them. I'm gonna start now. First one is the Gravedigger Chrome. This thing is like a perfect size of my first one of my custom Monster Jam trucks. This is a Gravedigger Chrome. I got this one maybe 2011. I recently got that one. Next up, we got the Brutus. Brutus is the second truck of my custom Monster Jam trucks from my series. I've done the first video of my series of Monster Jam. Gotta be kidding me, I'm the cameraman. Let the camera focus. The Brutus, I got this one definitely in 2000, maybe 2011, 2012. And right, moving on to Mechanical Mischief. Mechanical Mischief is a monster truck that will do something in a very big video. Yeah, this thing, I got this one when I was worried in the high school bus. And ZR graphics. Mechanical Mischief, I point the window on this one. Moving on to the custom Cyborg. Cyborg, I custom made this one. This is a custom. This thing is like weathered. This thing is so weathered, obviously. And this thing has custom mud tires on this thing. Moving on to Obsession. Obsession must be pretty kind of a sound. The Obsession is for the part of Monster Jam. On this video, I'm gonna do 2 videos this time.
It's like water up there, I don't know. Water's coming from the creek up there. Yeah, it's like water on the ground.
The Obsession by Amerigas. Moving on to Anger Management. Anger Management is a red truck. Definitely like this thing. But if we compare it to Obsession, Obsession is a great truck. Just for gone communities. The Anger Management truck is the same size truck as Obsession. perfect truck. Anger management has a angry face on both sides. Smiley face. Like, moving on to Shattered. Shattered is a older truck. I custom made these ones from the older Gravedigger.
Wow.
This thing is like so... Shattered is the older truck. Older truck in the Monster Jam series. As the blue and yellow. Alright, moving on to Excalibur. Excalibur is a great truck with such red wheels. This is a new version of Excalibur. The new version of Excalibur. And comparing it to Shattered. Excalibur is a great black truck. Comparing it to Shattered here. Then we'll move on to M20 Camo Thunder. Such is a great size as Mechanical Mischief. Great Chevy style truck. As a great camouflage truck. Beautiful covered truck. Camo covered. Moving on to Thrasher. Thrasher is a perfect truck for great communities. Thrasher is a truck that will be in the next comparison. This thing is weathered as well. The original Thrasher, I got this one. This is has an older Monster Jam logo on the top. And moving on to Barbarian. This thing is like so weathered compared to Thrasher. This thing is so weathered compared to that. This whole metal is rusted. Yeah, but it still, spins very, very good. Very good. It spins really good. Then moving on to Inferno. Inferno's a great truck, just for gonna upload this video. Make sure the Inferno's in great shape. My custom Monster Jam trucks. And then that is it for this part 2.